What's going on, everybody? It's Josh again from JR's Diecast Customs, and this is the third time I've tried to make this video because apparently I don't know how to talk tonight. We're going to dive right into this video. It's going to, like I said, it's the same type of thing we usually do, except it's going to be a little different because we got that slick piece right there. That just arrived in the mail this afternoon. Been waiting on it for a few days, said it's been shipped, got a little worried because it didn't show up for like 4 days, and then I got it. So we're going to start off with some sweet Hot Wheels mainlines. We've been hitting the Walmarts and Targets pretty religiously. On my lunch breaks and before and after work and about any other time I can really go without inconveniencing my girlfriend too much. So, like I said, lately we've been going. Found some sweet new stuff. Brand new casting here. Audi See, I told you guys I couldn't talk, man. 94 Audi Avant Rs2 in this sweet blue. Love the details, headlights, taillights on this, like usual. I love they've been doing this a lot with the new castings. Even got the S-style export stripe on the front grille there. Love the little details like that. Honda Civic Si in black. Banging. I like this one a little bit better than the blue, I think. The blue was really cool at first, but then I think I saw it too much. I saw it too many places, and I was like, it got a little overdone. Another one of these, really nice. Then woofs, this guy, Mercedes-Benz 500E, absolute stunner of a casting, 100% going to be up in the running for the casting of the year, in my opinion. Freaking banger. It's a freaking banger. And you guys know how I do, right? Because I buy a bunch. I buy 3. I'll buy 1 to keep in the package. I buy 1 to open. And I buy 1 to do that too. Because in my opinion, it's a little dusty. In my opinion, that's sitting proper now. A little bit lowered, little bit, just a touch of camber. And those sweet Aero style wheels. Big fan of that. How could you not like that? That is Aero correct. Whoop, 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 whoop. You got a little sag in the back there. Now we're right. Keep on going here. We got a couple other new releases here. It's a Porsche 935 with a different color scheme. So we got the blue hood instead of the red hood and the red base instead of the blue base. The other one had gold wheels as well. Bone Shaker in this beautiful Moon Eyes livery. Absolutely dig this one. Not a big fan of the Moon Eye or the Bone Shaker casting, but this one had to snag it. Love the Aero wheels on there too. The Aero disc wheels, super fitting. Super fitting. And then a beautiful rendition of the BMW M2 GT3 in BMW colorway. Obviously, you got to dig that. The red, white, or the red and the 2 blues. Super nice. I like that one a lot. Then we got sorry, I'm moving some stuff around here. Got my stuff all misorganized. We got a set. We got a new set alert. Bloop. Bloop. I randomly stumbled into Walmart one morning and I came across these. There was only one. Okay, so Walmart. Oh my God, I'm dropping all my stuff. So my Walmart sucks. I'm sure all your Walmarts suck too because I'm seeing that all over the internet lately. So I walk in and I haven't found anything new lately. This was the only thing new on the pegs and there was only one set. So I thought that was kind of odd. Volkswagen Golf Mark II, a nice looking Isle of Green color. Number 22, Castrol Sparko Coney livery on the end or on the side there. Really happy about this one. Skyline 2000 turbo, KDR 30. So it's a R31. Absolutely love this one. Very basic. Got the RS turbo deco on the side, 83 on the side. Got your taillights. Then you got your pink FRS here, which is really cool as well. I am actually becoming a little bit more fond of the pink cars lately, just because I think they look really nice. Adds a little bit of pop to my collection. Then we got this, really sweet. It's got the JDM banner on the front there, which I think is really cool. What does it say on there? Osaka Kanjo Performance. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if that's a real thing. It could be. Probably is. Oh wait, Ford Focus. Weird casting, but it's part of the set, and I saw the whole set there, so I was like, I'm going to buy it, I'm not going to split up a set just because one car is slightly goofy, Treasure hunt. See how enthused I was? Found this at a dollar store next to my work. Didn't even know that this was a treasure hunt, actually. I mean, I knew when I grabbed it, but I didn't know till I saw it. Got a few more of these guys here. These are nice. Every time I see one of these, I'm like, oh, I must buy this. The 911 GT3 RS in yellow. Might be worth a little something down the line. The GT3 RSs hold their stones. Then we got these guys. We got the Dollar General exclusive 98 Honda Prelude. Look at that color. Look at that. I mean, I don't understand Excuse me. I don't understand why they were going for $25, $30, $40 when they came out. People were trading super treasure hunts away for these things. I was like, you guys are idiots. I bought two. I spent more than I should have. Bought two for $7 a piece, but it was not a bad deal. And then I found one myself, like an idiot, the same day. Literally bought them, and then I went out later on and found one myself. So I drilled one of those apart too. Actually, I'd show you that too, but it's over there. I'm not going to have to go get it. Really, really slick release of that, though. Very happy to find that DG exclusive, man. Whew. Got a few more of these guys because I do a lot of customs with the R34, and you can never have enough of them. Never have enough of them. A few more new releases and some colored Dollar General exclusives. Actually, I lied. That's not a DG exclusive. That is a GameStop exclusive. Stopped in to see my buddy one day, and they had like 4 cars on the pegs. This was one of them. Snagged it. Another DG exclusive right here. Really nice looking Rubicon, or not Rubicon, the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon in white. I like that deco on the side there. Diecast and built to last. But it's really nicely detailed. You got the Jeep, what does that say? Not sure what it says. Jeep something. But really nicely decoed, man. I like the details in these. And a good looking 510. Not the Super. If I find the Super, I'm probably going to cry because it's beautiful. I'm not going to talk about how much they're going for on eBay because people suck. But man, whew, that's really cool looking car. The Super is bonkers. The Super's bonkers. It's so nice. I missed out on a bunch of H cases. That's why I found those new releases, but we ain't going to talk about that because I was kind of sad. A couple new releases, GameStop colorway, then another treasure hunt. I don't really give a damn about those, to be honest with you, because they're meh. They're meh. And then we got some Matchboxes as soon as I can find them because I dropped them on the floor next to me. This has been a rough sale. Rough sale. I know I'm missing one. I had 3 of them here. Got 2 of them. Whatever. Forget about it. We got these 2 guys here. New from the Matchbox Collector Series or something like that at Target. Datsun 510. I'm pretty sure this is a re-release of the Datsun 510 Rally because I can almost guarantee I have this exact same one already. This is pretty cool though. The LM002 Lamborghini. Pretty cool. I like that color. It's a sharp color. It's like a bluish teal. It's pretty. Oh, I didn't even know they did like everything. They had like the taillights, all that kind of jazz on this. This is sharp. Headlights, taillight, tempo. Nice job. Matchbox been slaying it lately, man. I'm telling you what. Matchbox has been slaying it. I don't have to show you a ton of them. Got a couple more. The Pagani Hawaii Roadster with the opening rear. We got the detailed motor and stuff. I'll show you that as more in a second. Then we got the 88 Monte Carlo Ls with the opening doors. Really, really cool looking version of that too. With headlights, taillights, all that fun stuff. How about these? I'll show it to you in person. Boop. That opens up. Very nicely detailed in the back there. I like how they did all that in kind of gold. It's really sharp. And the way it closes is nice too. Kind of clicks in there. Gold wheels. Sits a little high, but that can be changed. Can definitely be changed. And then this one, really super cool release of this. So this is the 88 Monte Carlo LS, like I said. In black, jet black. Wheels look kind of big, but like I said, can be lowered down and all that kind of stuff. Doors open. I think actually the doors on this one are metal, which is sweet. Because some of the opening parts models, a lot of them have plastic opening parts. This one is not one of them, which is pretty neat. This one either. This one, the hood on this one is also metal, which is nice. Oh my God, I tipped it over. I tipped it over. I didn't even realize. Goodness. Another one of these floating around just sitting in front of me. And then a couple more Matchboxes, actually. A couple more Matchbox collector's cars. These are the ones that you find at Walmart, like the $5 cars. So this is the Porsche Porsche 550 Spider. So it's the Real Riders version. It's got Hot Wheels Real Riders on there, which is kind of neat. Headlight, taillight deco, full deco on these ones. So you even got like, you know, a bunch of writing on. You had the Porsche, you know, the Porsche written on the back. You had the red kind of like stripes on the side there. Opening hood. I'm sure it's detailed inside there as well. Actually, you know what? Let's find out. This is nice. Oh, very neat. Okay, it definitely is detailed in there. So you see a lot. So you got the motor detailed, you got the shock towers detailed, all that kind of stuff, which is pretty sweet. Transmission. Pretty neat. That is actually pretty cool. This is a neater release than I thought it was. Wow, this is actually pretty. It's got some weight to it. I like this. That's really cool, actually. Kind of got a front butt. You can't really tell which is the front and what's the back unless you're really staring at it. Nah, it's not really that true, but that stubby little windshield. Better get your goggles on, boys, because you're going to be hitting some bugs. Get this jazz out of the way. Come a little box for storage. Convenient storage box. And then we got this guy, which is going for a lot of money on the bay. Goodness gracious. I'm seeing this thing fetch 35, 40, 50 bucks on the bay. Like, goodness. Matchbox Henry J. Gasser. Really cool release, man. I thought actually for the first glance, thought I had an error with the white wheel and the chrome wheel in the front. But no, it's not. They're all like that. But it is actually a really good looking one. I'm going to be honest with you. If I can trade this for a super or get 40 bucks for this, goodbye. Good fucking bye. I'll gladly send this to somebody for 45 shipped. If you're interested, hit me up in the PMs down below. Definitely let me know. Or interested in trading like a super or something for this, hit me up. I mean, people are about it. It is sick. Don't get me wrong. It is super duper cool. Like, it really is really awesome. But, like, I don't care about the gassers that much. As I show you that much. But, like, you know, it is neat. It is neat. Is it $40, $50 neat? No. But, it, you know, for other people, it might be, you know. Picked up another one of these guys because that gray is hot. Hot tamales on that. Absolutely love this RS6 Avant. Holy smokes. Then, I got a couple of these guys. The other one's floating around somewhere. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. A couple of these because I like the card art. Love the cherry blossoms in the background. Super neat. Love the card art on these Hot Wheels, man. One of my favorite parts about collecting these things. And then, you know, they got the beautiful paint. I hate Forza, though. I don't give a shit about Forza. I'm more of a Gran Turismo guy. Yeah. I'll show you guys that in a second, too. That was an eBay pickup. I picked that up for like $8, something like that. Good deal. And this, you know, the Gumball 3000 Koenigsegg Agera R. Pretty cool release of this one. I think it's a little bit better looking than the first one, in my opinion. I don't know. They're both kind of neat. I like this wheel choice, I think, better on this one, though. It's cool. I like the colors on it, like the white, black, and the gold. I think it looks pretty sharp. Then I got a couple of these boys. A couple of the new ones from the new Fast and Furious set. Fast Stars. The Fast Stars. There's so many, coming out with so many damn sets. But the one I don't really want it, but I'd like to get another one is that Eclipse. Haven't found it yet. I'd like to snag a Mustang too. The Charger's weird. It's got a rear engine in it. The motor's mounted in the rear. I don't know how I feel about it. I didn't feel great about it because I found it and I didn't buy it. And I noticed that, and that's why I didn't buy it. So that's how I feel about it. Now I got the W Motors Lycan Hypersport. Weird car. Never been made. A lot of weird claims is going 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds, 0 to 60 in 3.5, 6, 7. They've claimed like 100 different things about it. They've said it's got different motors. Nobody knows. Is it real? Is it fake? I don't know. But it was a really corny scene in Fast and Furious where Vin Diesel said, "There's nothing worse than a beast being caged," or something like that. And it was super corny. And it made me laugh really hard because they were talking about this car. It was sitting up in a vault. Those movies suck now, man. I'll tell you what. I'm going to say great. They were great back when it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, when they were all about the cool cars and doing car stuff. Now they're freaking superhero movies. People are punching through parking garages and shit. And it's fucking ridiculous. But you know what? I ain't going to complain too much because we wouldn't have sick castings like this unless they had continued making those stupid movies. So, you know, I found this on the shelf today, and I bet you somebody put it back because it had a flat. But I don't give a shit because you guys know how I am. I'm going to open it. I'm going to open up. Instant flat repair on the spot. The world's quickest tire repair shop. Bam. Ooh, that tire looks like a little stretched out, actually. Maybe it was sitting in there a little goofy for a while. That's not that bad, actually. But there's that. This is sick. So this is a Jeep SRT8 Trailhawk. Trackhawk. This is the fast one. This is the one that got the Hellcat motor in it. I actually saw this when they debuted this at like the 2017, 2018 New York International Auto Show. And dude, it was sick. It was like the coolest thing, man. It was a bee's knees. I was all about Jeeps back then. 700 horsepower Jeep. I'm like, you can't get anything cooler than that. And this is a really cool casting because I don't think they've ever done a Jeep Grand Cherokee release from Hot Wheels. So this is the first one I've seen. And the color on it's super hot. I'm a big fan of the color on it. It could possibly do with maybe a wheel swap maybe or something. I don't know. It was looking like it's going to roll kind of goofy, but it actually rolls really smooth. Really smooth. I'm about that life, man. That thing is sick. That thing is super sick. I'm bashing on the movies, but you know, That is a sick release, and we wouldn't have it if we didn't have those movies. Lycan Hypersport's kind of cool too. You know, I'm gonna pop this open too, just because the paint on it's really pretty. I think it's got a really nice metallic paint on it. This one's actually kind of lighter than I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. But it's got a really, really nice looking paint job on there. Decals the details on it are spot on this one, which is really nice. You got everything detailed on this. It's a really cool car. If they actually made one, man, it'd be a super cool car. It is Dubai, actually. That car is invented in Dubai. That's where the company was started. Dubai's first supercar, actually. I think it might be one of their first actual cars. 2009 Nissan Gtr with the Gran Turismo livery on it. Thought this was super cool. This whole set is actually really neat. I've been trying to kind of piece it together if I can for really cheap on eBay. I have to take it easy though. I'm not going to be buying so much in the next couple months because my girlfriend and I are going to be taking some trips. So we're going to be saving for some trips, and that's going to be really exciting. We're going down to New York City for a Yankees game for me, and then we're going to New York City again, actually, for her birthday. Do a little shopping and stuff. She's all about that shopping life. You know how the women's are. How them's women's are. So then we got this. I think this is the cap. This is the end cap for the night here. We got the RLC 66 Supernova. It is in pink and it is popping. I will tell you what. It's hard to get on camera, especially with this glare from this ring light that I got here. It is super, super nice paint. I love it on here. Got detailed motor, got details throughout this entire thing. I'm obviously not going to open it. Oh, you can kind of see how pink it is through that side a little bit better because it doesn't catch the light so much. But it's super nice. I am 1 for 4 on RLC releases this year. And do with that what you will. A lot of people are 1 for 4 or 0 for 4 this year because of the influx of memberships, which I kind of don't like that much. Let me know what you guys think about that down below and how you guys have done so far in the RLC, because I tell you what, I have not had good luck. I really, really wanted the Rosen 1 Impala because that thing is a freaking stunner, man. It is just so gorgeous. That paint, everything about it is beautiful. But, you know, you get what you get. You don't throw a fit, as my girlfriend always says. But yeah, thanks again for stopping in for this video. This is going to wrap it up. That's about all I got to show you guys for this week. But if you guys liked what you see, please drop a like down below. It lets me know I'm doing a good job, and it also lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job, so you guys see more of this kind of stuff. Check out my Instagram. I'm going to link that down in the description down below. It's JR's Diecast Customs on there as well. Throw up lots of cool photos and stuff on there. I like to take my time and edit my photos and stuff. Not just random pictures of like boxed cars. I take my stuff out. It's like pictures of my customs and stuff like that. But yeah, as always, thanks for tuning in, guys. Drop a like and a comment and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you folks in the next video. Peace out.